Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 97 of building the Back to the Future Delorean at the final, I say the final stretch. It doesn't end at issue 100 like most of these part works do. It continues on. So we're getting to the final stretch. We've done the bodywork. This is the last part of the valance, the other side, to what we did last time. So a quite quick, easy build. We're putting the plastic trim on, put the screws in, and then putting the plastic rubber mat thing on the top, and that is that. And that, I believe, is the main body done. We are starting some other stuff next time, so that's going to be good. The reviews are in. They saved the best for last. Yeah, part 3. I don't know. Which is your favourite episode? Back to the Future part 1, 2, or 3? I think I'll go with 1. It was all new and it was exciting and everything. 2, yeah, is definitely the worst one of the 3. 3 was very good. But yeah, I think I'd still go with 1 as being my favourite. Let me know in the comments. Leave your vote as to which issue, which episode is your favourite. There's no right or wrong answer. Just personal preference. Let me know why as well. Let me know what your favourite is and why. Yeah, there's some excellent scenes in 3. But yeah, 1 just for its newness and yeah, everything. I just prefer 1. There we go. Next time we are starting the junction box. Doc and dance, yeah. And many talents. He did some dancing in 3, didn't he? Yeah. Yes, this is the start of the what do they call it? More details to the front of your DeLorean. The junction boxes, power coils. Is that the power coils? Is that the blue strip light things? Is that the power coils? It might well be. That's what we're going to be starting doing around the front. I'm really looking forward to, because that's the iconic bit. I mean, the inside is obviously iconic, but the iconic bit on the outside, I think, is the blue strip lights. So I'm looking forward to doing that. But first of all, let's do this. But before even that, this issue came with a binder. For some reason, a German binder, which actually I quite like. It would be very cool to get the different nationalities of font and thing. Well, the font's the same, but the wording. I mean, I don't know. Zurich in the Zukunft looks like in the, but it's not. It does actually translate to Back to the Future. I thought it was different, but it isn't. But yeah, this is the German version, same as the other ones with the little strips that you put inside the middle. I shall do that. I've still got far more magazines than I have binders because of all Eagle Moss and Messing Up and everything else. So I shall fill this very quickly with the issues well before this one. I don't know if there are any more binders coming, or I don't know. It would be nice to have them on the shelf, although now obviously I've got a nice German change to the font, to the shelf. They won't look good in a big pile, but it's interesting to look at and see. The Out of Time obviously hasn't been translated. So yeah, that is what we've got there. Let's get this out of the way. Let's get the final parts put onto the car. Yes, so supplied this issue, we've got another balance strip, apparently, sort of the foot mat and the screws to put that in place. This is got the double-sided tape on the back of it, so that's nice and easy. The car itself, as big and heavy as ever. In fact, getting bigger, and well, not bigger, but getting heavier every time. What I'm going to be doing with that is exactly what we did on this side. So it will end up looking just like that, but on the other side. So I need to turn this around. There we go. Turn that around. Open the door and get that installed. So this is the tricky bit that I had trouble last time, and obviously going to have exactly the same trouble this time, because it's huge, it's difficult, and it's all over the place. So this needs to go under there, just like that. We've got the 2 places that it clips over the top of, and obviously it goes under framework there. A bit like that, except I need to be able to see what I'm doing, so I need to hold it down a bit and get that in place. But that's going to be just about there. I'll get that screwed in place, and then I'll show you putting the mat kit on place, and we'll be done for this issue. Okay, there we go. That is that now installed and fitted. I've peeled off the sticky backing. Then it just remains to lay that in place and press it down. And there we have another doormat fitted. And the door closes over it. This door fits nicely. It's the other one's just got that little bit not closing very well, but I'm happy enough. So there we have it. All done. And the wheels can fold up and down wherever they want to go. I'm not worried at the moment. That is that. Another issue complete. Thank you very much for joining me on this build. Next time we're going to do something more interesting and a bit more involved with fitting the front light things. I don't know exactly how I'm going to get it on camera, but we'll figure it out, and I shall see you for that very, very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.